It was a cold day in New York in the month of December. A little barefoot boy, about 10 years old, was standing in front of a shoe store. He was shivering in the cold as his eyes restlessly moved around, scanning the variety of shoes in the display window. A lady approached the young boy and said, "My son, it's so cold. You're shivering, but you were in such deep thought staring at that window. What are you thinking?" "I was asking God if He could give me a pair of shoes," replied the boy. The lady took him by the hand, entered the store, and asked the store manager to get half a dozen pairs of socks for the boy. She then asked for a basin of water and a towel, which the manager quickly brought to her. She knelt down, removed her gloves, and washed his little feet gently. She then dried them with a towel, placed a pair of socks on his feet, purchased him a pair of shoes, and handed the remaining pairs of socks to him. As they left the store, she patted the boy on the head and said, "You'll certainly be comfortable now, darling." As the lady turned around and was about to leave, the astonished kid caught her by the hand and, looking up in her face with tears of gratitude in his eyes, innocently asked her, "By any chance, are you God's wife?" Ladies and gentlemen, it is empathy, compassion, sensitivity, love, acts of kindness that form the very foundation of true spirituality. Not only do these fundamental virtues of humanity help us handle pain in this world, but they also impel us to question their source. Isn't it said, "Live your life in such a way that those who don't know God but know you will want to know God because they know you."